Going to explain about Unix Lab Experiment-02, in which we have to do conditional statements using shell scripting. And there are 5 experiments. We have to do greatest of the 3 numbers, student grade calculation, electricity bill calculator, finding the alphabet is a vowel or a consonant, and the last one is to given number is a palindrome or not. So let's go into that. So the program is. Here's the first program. The first one is to find the greatest of the 3 numbers. So here the command is echo. First number, I get the input A, and then the second number is B, and the third number is C. And here is the if condition where if open the bracket, A is greater than, that is GT stands for greater than, they're greater than B, and also when A is greater than, this is a greater than command, then C. Then I'll print A is greater, and to close the if condition I'll use the command fi, and next again I'll start the if condition for when if b is greater. So when b is greater, it will use the command b is greater than a and b is greater than c. So this stands for and, like both the statements, when a is greater than b and a is greater than c and b is greater than a, and as well as it will combine both the conditions, and then I'll print b is greater, and then close the if loop like fi, and then next is for when c is greater. So yeah, when if c is greater than a, and as well as when c is greater than b, I'll print c is greater. So let's go. Enter the first number 5, 2 and 5. Let's run it again. 1, 2 and 3. So 4 is greater. So because here the 2 numbers were equal, so it didn't run because I didn't give any handling for when the numbers are equal. And then for here the 4 is greater, so it shows the number 4 is greater. And the second one is student grade calculation. Here when I'm entering the year, as prompting the user to enter a grade, I'm reading it in G, and then when G is greater than equal to 95, I'm giving the printing that if it's in an if loop, then I'm printing then echo as grade O, and then I close the if loop with fi, and then I do it for up till it is until it's less than 70. So if it's less than 70, I'll be printing grade C, and I'll closing starting the if loop with if, and then after each when I'm closing each of the if loop like if conditions, I'll be using fi. That's all. That's all for when G is greater than 90 to 95, I'll print A, 85 to 90, I'll print B, 70 to 85, I'll print C, and then less than 70 is going to be C, and then Fi, that's I'm closing it. Such. Let's give 97. Let's give 87. So it will print B. So above 90, 95, it's O. Above 90, between 90 to 95, it's A, and then between 85 to 90, it's B. So that's all. And the third one is to electricity bill calculator. In this, I'm getting the unit. That's a electricity unit, and then if the unit is equal to 0, I'll charge 40. Else if the command for else if is elif, and then I'll use the condition unit it should be greater than 0 and unit should be less than equal to 100, and then I'll store the charge as expr, that's expression $unit multiplied by 1. I'll show into star. In the end, I'll be printing this charge here, and then when the unit is greater than 100 and less than 300, so I'll be using expression 100 and like expression 101 into 1 plus unit minus 100. So I'll do this for until when the unit is greater than like greater than 300, when I'll be doing expression 1400 plus unit minus 400. So and then I'll end the if loop with an fi. This is a complete if loop. condition if, else if, else if, else if, else if, and then fi in the end, and then in the print at the end I'll print echo charge. Like I'll print using echo charge as rupees dollar charge. I'll print the value of charge which has been. So let's take the, and the unit is, let's take it as 302, and its charge is as 502. So the next one is finding the alphabet is a vowel or a consonant. So for that, we enter a character. We will prompt the user to enter a character like I'll store it, and then if the dollar character is, if any of the character, if the character is equal to any of the characters in the A, E, I, O, U, like they can be any uppercase or lowercase, then I'll print echo vowel. Else I'll print echo consonant, and I'll close it with the it's in a if loop, so I'll close it with fi. So then let's say A is a vowel. Let's run it, and then I'll give B. It's a consonant. So, and the last one is given number is palindrome or not. So first I'll prompt the user to enter a number, and if I'll make an if loop, and where the echo, where the number which I've taken input, and there's a pipeline symbol, and I'll reverse it. I'll just reverse the number whatever I'm getting, and then it should be equal to the number which I've already got in as the input. Here I'll reverse the number, and then here I'll compare it with the input that has been entered. Then if it is equal to the number which has been inputted, then it will be printed as palindrome. Otherwise it will print as non-palindrome, not a palindrome number. So let's see, let's say 1 2 3 2 1. Yeah, it's a palindrome number. And let's try 1 2 3, and it's not a palindrome number. That's it for this experiment. Thank you.